Hi there, it's Matt from Tradie Web Guys, and I'm just giving you a quick run through of the Braeside Building website rebuild project that we did. Braeside Building are located in Brookvale on the northern beaches of Sydney, and they specialise in custom joinery. They also do residential building and some small-scale commercial projects. However, their real niche is custom joinery. And so their website brief really was about helping them, I suppose, professionally represent the caliber of work they deliver and really give them a strong platform for social proof for potential customers in the future. So you can see here we've rebuilt this website. It's extremely, it's all responsive design, so mobile friendly. All the conversion elements you can see here above the fold. You've got click to call, phone numbers, request to quote, all that kind of stuff. You can see the color scheme there suits their branding, and then down here we've got a little bit about the business. And as you can see, it's a nice clean layout. It's not too cluttered, which is what they asked for. And then, of course, we've got a link there to some of their projects. So that's an important selling point for them. So they wanted to make sure that the project galleries were on point. As you click on the service pages here, you can see that they're all quite nicely laid out. We head across to some of their joinery, some of their service projects. Whoop, what happened there? And you can see here that again, they're quite nice, clear, crisp layout, not too cluttered, which is what they wanted. They've got a project gallery over here as well, which is basically outlines the work they do. And if I click on, say, one of these, we'll go have a look at one of them. You can see it just really tells a story there with a nice testimonial from their customer. So yeah, it's a lovely website. They're stoked about it, and looking forward, they've got a platform there that can enable them to tell their story a lot better. So if you would like one just like this, head across to tradiewebguys.com.au and fill in the form. We will help you out.